dazzling.
Dazzling. Dazzling.
Yeah, yeah.
私はマイケルです。
Watashi wa Michael desu.
Oh.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Alright. Yeah, so we are in Oslob right now.
Good morning.
Good morning. And I spent the most of the time trying to find my camera, so I missed like a lot of cool shots. Oh, there's a lot of fish in here.
It's hella ticklish, bro.
Huh?
This shit ticklish as fuck.
It's ticklish? They clean your legs?
Yeah, they bite, eat the dry skin off it.
Oh no.
I need that, man. I need that. But this is good, though. Got me my right toe.
Actually, like this scanner is like free.
Yeah, I guess they clean your foot. I don't think they like you. Oh damn. You can get in the water there. I don't know if I'm gonna get in that water, bro. That's cold. I ain't built for that. She is, cause oh, that's cold. Nah. Huh? You're whiter than me. You're from Japan. I can't do that. That is crazy. Where?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I think the whale sharks are not far because that's where all the boats are. I'm like confused because they're supposed to be big. It must be deep out there. That was an experience, guys. I could barely swim in there because my shoulder's still fucked up, but I got up and close and personal to those whale sharks, man. That was awesome.
You look so tired.
Oh shit, what the fuck? Why is it coming backwards? See what this is. I think that's
I want to try.
that's a plátano. There, no.
何級やって。
Good.
Good. Back and forth from only the orange boat. We'll ride that one. Orange boat.
Okay.
The other one.
You ate the whole thing? Like one go?
How do you say?
It's pretty good.
Like
Oh hell. Whoop, 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 whoop. If I fall, I deserve it. Wow, this water's so blue. Thank you. Another damn group picture.
no, I can't. Dazzling.
I don't know what she's saying, guys.
Dazzling. I can't open my eyes.
Daizuri. Daizuri?
Dazzling?
Dazzling?
Dazzling.
Dazzling.
Dazzling. Dazzling.
Yeah, that's dazzling.
Dazzling.
The sunlight on the water is dazzling.
Dazzling.
Yes, nice.
Dazzling.
Yeah. Yeah. Look. Just remember you have a bag there. Dazzling.
Dazzling. Dazzling.
Yeah, yeah. You?
No, no, no. Oh, wait.
I'm throwing these sandals away. Dazzling. You want
No.
us? go explore these ruins. As you can see, guys, I'm tired. Like, I'm done with Oslob.